How's it? How's everybody doing? Look what I have here. BirdSongBible. And inside the box is a book. And in the book, got like shots of different birds. And which each bird, if you come across a bird, they've got little red dots here, and you just push the number here, and you can hear the bird. So this is getting ready to be put in the mail and sent to Uncle Huey. All right. You want to hear the nene goose, right? So you would turn this on, and you push this. Cool, huh? Sound like I got asthma. Put new meaning to that song. Do the nene, do the nene. And then there's one of my favorites is the goose, the nene, do the nene. Of Hawaii and the nene. I also was thinking about what Aunt Jerry has in her backyard, and this is trio to the spotted dove. She has that, and she has a zebra dove. So I like listening to that sometimes. Here it is. Ready? Woo! Sound familiar? So that's a spotted dove, and you can fast forward to the zebra dove. Cool, huh? And then my favorite, which I think should be the Hawaiian state bird, number 56. We find a 4, 5, and a 6.